This is new tonight. The Katy man at the center of an FBI raid that turned up dozens of guns will be held in custody until trial, a judge ruled today. Federal agents have revealed they believe Michael Siri also played an instrumental role in a murder-for-hire plot.
A murder-for-hire shooting that played out during the busy morning commute. Reporter Micah Hatfield was the only reporter in the courtroom today where she learned the new details in this case. Micah.
Eric and Erica, today's hearing was the first time we heard publicly that investigators are looking to charge Michael Siri in a murder-for-hire plot from February. Federal prosecutors are using evidence in that case to keep him behind bars on a firearm charge stemming from the raid.
Prosecutors did tell us in court last week that they believe he helped plan a hit on a man on the Grand Parkway in Mason Road in early February. That man was shot but did not die. Siri's employee Ricardo Obando and his stepson are both in jail for that shooting, charged with attempted capital murder. Today in court, we learned that the FBI interviewed a man who admitted that Siri, seen here in a photo from an online profile, told him he paid Obando to have the victim shot. Siri did not tell him who the victim was or why he wanted him dead, but a federal agent testified today that Siri told the witness Obando was a hitman for a known gang and had done this before. That man also told the agent that Siri told him he was taking care of Obando's family monetarily and covering his legal fees so he would not cooperate with law enforcement against him. Siri's attorney listened to all the testimony and basically came back questioning why he hasn't been charged if they have all this evidence.
The real measuring stick of whether someone should be implicated or considered under such circumstances, their evidence of, is the finding of a grand jury that they believe a crime was committed. So that's the easiest, that's the most straightforward way. The government nor the state of Texas have chosen to do so. So we will leave them to their devices and see what happens.
Siri is only charged right now for the 57 guns that agents found during the raid. Ultimately, the federal court judge said today that Siri would have to stay in custody until his trial. He said there weren't any conditions that could guarantee safety. Prosecutors say that Siri's wife has asked for a protective order against him and that he called an ex and told her to tell agents that he's a good person if they ask, and provided her a burner phone number. Live in the studio, Micah Hatfield, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.